How to install community online tools on a server. Alright, first what we've got to do is we've got to open up DayZ, search for DayZ in the workshop, get the mod, and just click subscribe. It will ask you to download the additional required items, click continue. It will start the download. Alright, next what we got to do is we're going to go into DayZ, yep, we're going to go over here, games, launch DayZ, launch the DayZ launcher. Now that we're in DayZ's launcher, we're going to go click mods, we're going to load in the mods. So we want to download that one, we want to load in this one, load selected mods. Once it is finished loading, you can exit out of DayZ's download launcher. You want to go into the workshop, you can close Steam now, you want to go into the workshop and you want to go select the mods, Community Online Tools, Permissions Framework, RPC Framework. Right click, copy. You want to go to your server, go here, and you want to paste in here, just like that. Now, you just want to go into one of these, click keys, right click the key, copy the key, go back out here, go to here, paste the key, right there. And then that part's done. Next what you want to do is you want to create a new batch file. I'm just going to call it start.bat. And in the start.bat you would want to paste this, which would be in the description, into the file. What this would do is it will allow the file writing and loading the mods, as well as set the profile directory to anything but this location or the default location. You want to save it, so file, save, and it will save. Alright, now what we're going to do, so we're going to click start and it will start server. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go into Steam, click library, right click library, run DayZ launcher. Once the launcher is done, make sure the mods are loaded and click play. Once the game has loaded, you will want to load into your server, so I got it there, type in your password and join the server. Alright, now that we're in the server, all we have to do is just wait a second. See, we can't do any buttons, so then we click exit, exit now, and then exit the game. Once you have exited the server, please shut down the server, unlike what the video would show, and then continue on. Once we have exited the game, we would want to go into this newly created folder, ServerProfile, and then in here you'll see two new files, Community Online Tools and Permissions Framework. Go into the Permissions Framework file folder, go to Players folder, you'll see one file. This would be your specific file folder. It is recommended that you only do this when you are the only player on the server. You would want to open it up with your favorite text editor. For me, that would be Visual Studio Code. You would want to click Find, Replace, and just go 0, replace all the zeros with a 2. Click Replace All. Alright, so what you'll want to do is you'll want to save the file first, but make sure the server is closed, and then save the file, close the program, start up the server again. This will not be required for any other change of permissions, as you'll then do that through the in-game permissions, which I'll show in the next video. What you'll want to do now is join the server, enter the password again. If you have set a password, join the server, just wait for the server to come online, and all should be working. Alright, so we are now in the server, alright, and the only way to test it is by pressing the Y key. And as we can see, the menu appears, and we've got the players. By default I have bloody hands. Okay, this character does not seem to have bloody hands. Some characters, for some reason, don't actually have a bloody hands texture applied to them. I am not aware as to why that is. But you can now do everything. You can go back in here, press insert, and free cam around. And you can also H everywhere to fast teleport ahead at your cursor. Thank you for watching. This is Jacob.